Hi guys, my name is Dr.Ravi Rawat. I scored 216 marks in my very first attempt in December 2021. In this video, I am going to talk about 6 important points to clear FMG, which I gave name of 6 P's to clear FMG. So the first P is persistency with patience. What do I mean by persistency with patience is to be disciplined and regular with your studies during this journey. Sometimes we tend to study for 10 to 14 hours for 2 days in a week, and the next 2 days we are studying only for 3 or 4 hours. But that is not good. Just at least try to study 8 to 10 hours, but regularly with persistency. And during this journey, sometimes many of the students are impatient so much that they are not doing well, they are not scoring well. Even if you are scoring well, or even if you are scoring bad, it's just you have to be patient. If you are scoring bad, revise them again, revise the notes again, practice MCQs, and you will improve. Just you have to be persistent and keep some patience for some hours. Your performance will improve. You have to keep hammering, guys. And the next point is positive mindset. And keeping a positive mindset during this journey is very, very important. If you are not positive, your performance will not increase. Your performance, your thoughts, your positivity will reflect in your performance. So keep the mindset positive. It doesn't matter how many attempts you have gone through. You have to be thinking like this is my first and the last attempt, and you just try to keep your mindset positive and try to get involved with people who are trying to push you in a positive direction, not with the people who are drawing you back. So the next point is practice. After that, it is the practice in MCQs, and I would say it is the most important step to clear FMG. You have to practice MCQs, but there is no hard and fast rule to practice to 200 or 300 MCQs in a day. Just try to, I would say, you should just finish a subject, then practice MCQs. All the sources of the MCQs are equally plus minus, I would say, but you have to choose according to yourself and practice MCQs. It doesn't matter from where, but try to limit your source of MCQs. Also 1 or 2 maximum source of practicing MCQ. Every institute, every platform for practicing MCQ is good. You have to decide what you want to do. And the fourth point is physical activity. Yes, this journey is long. It will be tiring. It can be the toughest time of your life. So you have to have, if you want to study for 14 to 15 hours a day, you have to give some sort of at least 15 minutes to your brain, to your body. So if you want to increase the effectivity or effectiveness, at least do 15 minutes of brisk walk or some kind of exercise or meditation you can try. And it will reflect, believe me, it will reflect on your performance, that you are way more calm, and it is important in this journey. So give at least 15 minutes to your body, some sort of physical activity. And the next after that is prayers. Yes guys, in this time sometimes you will feel so much frustrated that you do not even want to study. You do not believe in yourself. It doesn't matter what religion you belong to, what community you belong to, just believe in God, believe in yourself, and pray every day. Pray for yourself, pray for your friends. In the time which will be closer to your examination time, the prayers will give you so much of strength. It will give you some kind of relief. Just give 5 minutes at least to pray. Prayers, it is important also. And the last and one of the most important point is parents' blessing. Yes, some students, they get involved in studies so much they do not even talk to their parents for 3, 4, 5 days. So guys, at least talk to your parents on the regular basis. Talk to your good friends on the regular basis. It will draw your attention away from studies and give you some sort of relief and some sort of backup support that we all need as a social creature. So that's it from my side. Please like, share and subscribe my video, and forward and share to your friends. That can be helpful for them. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any query, if you need any support, any help from my side, I would love to help you out. Thank you so much.